Are you telling me how tired you are?
You loving it, huh?
एक तो बहनचो इसने मेरी आधी जिंदगी झांट कर रखी है। बहनचो पागल हो जाते हैं आधी रात को। ये देख रहे हो पगलिटी इसकी, देख लो।
한데 낳고 났네요. 소소대 뭐 낳고 가요. 오이.
何疲れたねよ。
Oi!
Amber, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, you can do it. You did it before. You can do it. Shh, quiet.
Okay.
Find it. Come here. Ready? Ready? Smoke. Good boy, Smoke. Good. Here. Bring it here. Ready? Rosie. Good girl, Rosie. Good girl.
What's wrong with your tummy?
It needs chicken nuggets
It needs chicken nuggets.
and fries.
Well, that thing was full.
That's my puppy dog. This is my puppy dog. He's a cute puppy dog, and I love that puppy dog. I love you.
I love you.
And first you, I love you, and I love you. Okay.
You're gonna be in trouble.
夏令，你是不是很久没游泳了呀？是啊，那你想不想游泳啊？你想，那你去吧，去吧。妈，我不敢叫他去了。
Can I get your opinion on treats? Cool, thank you.
I don't think he's excited. Right, Bear?
Oh.
So you think you can just tilt your head like that and it's going to convince me to give you whatever you want? Well, you're absolutely right. What do you want? Do you want treat?
Have you ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
Patu? Putty carrot? It gave. Putty carrot?
പപ്പി അല്ലെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അഡൽട്ട് ഡോഗിനെ കൂട്ടിക്കേറാൻ ചെയ്യും.
Piper, look it. Quiet speak. Quiet speak. Shh. Quiet. Quiet speak. Good girl.
Sit. Good girl.
You must want a belly rub. The tug of war with my fingers is probably the most painful game that she loves to play. But life's been good over here, man. She has a vet appointment on Monday. She's doing really well. Everybody keeps asking. She's fine. She's great. She's learned some new tricks. I'm trying to teach her to shake, but she just learned to sit like yesterday, so take it baby steps. Shake. Beso. That's not beso. No, that's not beso. Ah! I never got a chance to say thank you for 660,000 followers. We're about to be at 700,000 in no time. But I do truly appreciate the support to me and Coda as well. We on a road to a milli. But make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram.
水怖いんかもしかして。あっ
Scary.
Hi, Papa. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
I'm not lazy. I'm just on saving energy mode.